welcome or welcome back. My name is Kitty and I love subscription boxes, and today we're opening a longtime favorite of mine, Goddess Provisions. So Goddess Provisions is a monthly subscription. You get spiritual goodies and it's awesome. There's always a theme every month. It costs $33 per month. I of course will link them down below. The box we're opening today, the December box, is still available. I believe it is on sale until the 17th unless they sell out. So they are awesome. Like I said, longtime favorite. You get spiritual goodies based on a theme. They plant a tree for every box sold. They are just one of my favorite boxes, favorite companies, and I am thrilled that I get this in PR. Thank you so much for your support. That's why I do. The link below is a referral link, so anyone that uses it, thank you in advance. But anyways, let's get started. I honestly don't remember what the theme is. I open it up. This is what it looks like. So you get 5 to 7 goodies each month, and the value is between $85 and $100. And it is winter solstice. That makes sense. I'll peek. I see some fuzzy socks. Everything is just so cute in here. Oh, my cat Emmy's playing in the background if you guys hear that. So the first thing, we have to talk about the socks first. This is Fuzzy Dream. So this is actually by Goddess Provisions. So they have a website that sells single, just items just like this too, if you want to get just an item. But you guys should definitely check out their shop and subscribe if you're into this sort of thing. And by the way, for those that are wondering, I'll still be doing spiritual boxes for Witchy Wednesday tomorrow, and there'll be one new box included in that one, so stay tuned for that. But these are so cute. There's like a little hourglass there with a little moon and snowflakes. I'll just pretend it's like that here. To be honest, I don't miss snow. I've been sweaty in my videos because I turn the air off and I have lights on me and everyone's like, it's cold and everything. But I still wear fuzzy socks at home, and these are super cute and they feel super soft, and I'm super stoked about that. And they have a $12 value. And then next, Celestial Magic. This is also by Goddess Provisions, Seed of Creation. A ritual lighter case. What? Shine light, it says on the top. Shine light, burn bright. Look inside and you will see. I love how there's little messages throughout. Oh, cool. So you put this on your lighter. Way cuter. Oh, you can see that okay. That is so cute. Both sides look like they're the same. Let's see, do I have one? I have some somewhere around, but looks like this would fit a standard big lighter size. See, I have a different type lighter for my candles nearby, but I'm going to grab one so I can show you how it works, because I want to know how it works. Oh, so this metal is a little bit malleable, so that's how you do it. At first, I was like, wait, how do I get it all the way in? Oh, and my lighter's a little bit. There we go. I feel like this isn't really focusing because it's so shiny. Oh, there you can see how I already like this lighter. It had magic 8 balls on it, but I think it was my ex-boyfriend, so now I don't have to think of him when I see this. This is way cuter. Nice, I like that. And this has a retail value of $33. Oh, I thought I heard my cat. Next, by Lit Rituals, Icy Glow, Clove and Eucalyptus Soy Blend Candle. So we have a little 2-ounce candle here. There's Emmy, I thought I heard you. Oh, cool, look, it's cute. Looks like it has little glacier, Ooh, it smells really good. I thought it would smell more eucalyptus-y, but it's more clove, I would say. It smells really good. Now, I like eucalyptus smell, but sometimes it's overpowering when it's mixed with other scents. I like it. It's so cute. It looks like there's actual ice on it. And this one is $10 in value. I'm so excited. It looks like we have a chocolate bar, you guys. This is by Endorphin Foods Coconut Cream Dark Chocolate Caramelized Coconut Milk Single Origin Vanilla. So this is made with 54% cacao and 46% coconut. Yay! Plant-based chocolate alchemy. I love that. Whenever they do include any sort of treats, it's all vegan, and everything's cruelty-free, by the way. I love that. How long do you think this will last here? Oh my God, did we get a ring? Awesome. I've been wearing rings. There was like most of my life, I couldn't handle wearing rings on my fingers. I would just like take them off, like play with them, not even realizing it. And also I think it felt gross to me, like wearing them in the hospital, even though we wore gloves and stuff, you know? I don't know. Maybe a little bit of a germaphobe over here. Come here, Emmy. Everyone wants to see you. Oh, cool. So it's not a closed ring, so it could fit anyone, which is smart for a subscription. This is so cool, though. Look at. I'll have to look at the description to get a better idea of what exactly it is. But I love how it looks. There's a little moon. Do you see the design on the side? How's the lighting and sound today, by the way, guys? If you don't mind, let me know. I tried to make it a little bit better. I'm using a mic, but it's kind of on the side here. It couldn't make space for it to be right in front of me, but I tested it out beforehand. I think it's okay, but I would love some feedback. Thank you. And this is a clear quartz ring. It says, connect with the healing energy of clear quartz made from the metal of the psychic mind. This adjustable silver-plated ring not only accents your outfits, but helps you channel psychic energy. Sweet. And it talks about caring for it, and some of these items here do have codes to get a certain percentage off if they're not by the God's Provisions brand themselves. So this is by Hiochi Jewels, and there's a 20% off code, and this ring is $44. I love this. To figure out the way I want to wear it. Like pointed towards me or away. I don't know, but I'm really liking this, and especially like, you know, like later tonight when I'm doing some tarot readings I've scheduled, that's even better. And the last thing in here is a stone. We get stones every month, and I love it. And I don't have this one, and I'll be honest, I've read about this a lot, but I'm not sure I'm saying it correct, but like, who's surprised? So this is the blue Chalcedony? I feel like that's not right. I've never actually said it out loud, I've just read it. But this is awesome. Let's see what it says. Enter the new season with harmony and clear energetic blockages. This balancing stone to help guide you to make the best decisions for your spiritual growth. Nice. $4 value. I really like this. Chalcedony. My neighbors are so loud. Like, hear that?
Chalcedony.
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 Chalcedony. I don't know what my neighbors are doing. They're like the loudest people. I'm sorry if you guys can hear it. The show must go on. But Chalcedony. Chalcedony. So it's not a CH, it's a Chalcedony. Yay! I have so many stones, and when I get something that's new, even when I don't, but like when I get something new, it's extra exciting. So we got this lighter holder, which I think is so cute, and we got the ring, probably my favorite, stone, a candle, and some fuzzy socks, and chocolate. That might be a favorite of mine. So loved it like always. I love God's Provisions. Again, they'll be linked down below. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know how you're doing. And I will see you tomorrow for Witchy Wednesday. I'll be opening 3 boxes. I'm actually going to film that next. So, yeah, I'm really excited because there's one box I ordered and I forgot that I did, but it's new. So, yay, we have 2 boxes I've opened for and 1 new. And I will see you then. Love you guys. Bye.